What is going on, my fellow investors, and welcome back to Everything Finance, where we talk about everything money related, including the stock and cryptocurrency market, as well as just going over some basic money managing skills. So, in today's video, I'm going to give you guys another little update on Crow itself. And the secondary topic, we're going to be talking about how to make money in a bear market. And the reason I've put these two videos together is because Crow itself actually has a lot to do with sort of how to make money in a bear market beginner tutorial. If you are a crypto pro and you are a little more familiar with DeFi and the APY you can get on there, then this might not be the video for you. But for those who are not as comfortable with DeFi but are still looking for a phenomenal way to make money even with crypto prices crashing and us entering a full-on bear market, this will be the video for you. So first of all, we're going to talk about Crow itself and just the price action. So we actually did fail to break through this resistance here at that 48.2 cent level. We are currently on our way back down. It looks like we could come back down to test the 40 cent area. And I mean, if we do break that area, one potential area you could look at is about the 33 cent level. And the only reason I haven't drawn it out yet is because we haven't come back down to test it. But I wouldn't be surprised to see some level of support there. And then below that, we're looking at 25 cents. And this was actually the previous all-time high back here. So for me, this is like the strongest level of support and essentially like a no-brainer to buy. Again, not financial advice, but the reason I really am putting out this video is because my minimum price target on Crow is about $2.50 in my bear case. So anywhere under 50 cents to me, because of my thesis, I see it as a 5x on my money to be buying this coin anywhere under 50 cents. And that is why I'm putting this video out. So, and then to the upside, I mean, we're looking to actually break above this 53 cent range, maybe retest the 66 cents and reclaim this uptrending channel. But as of right now, we are just moving sideways, and I do suspect we may actually see a retest of that 40 cent level. So I'll be keeping an eye out for that. And now we're going to talk about how we can actually use Crow to make money in a bear market. Okay, and this is the thing that I like so much about Crow is the way their ecosystem is set up. It really is set up to encourage people to hold your Crow and continue to stake it for more and to really accumulate this coin. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the Visa. I still haven't made a video about my personal experience as a Jade Green holder. I haven't gotten around to that yet. I also still haven't gotten around to the cold storage wallet video. It's just been really busy with school, so I will get around to doing those eventually. But for reference's sake, we're gonna use the Jade Green card as a base because that is the most popular Visa according to Crypto.com, which makes sense. You gotta be willing to stake 4,000 American Crow, which is a lot of money, but it's kind of like that midway point between the $400 card and the $40,000 American card. So I would assume why this is the most popular one, and it is also the tier that I have. So essentially the way this works, and I don't know why they don't have it advertised on their site. They should. But what you do is you stake this Crow, and this is not the regular stake that you earn in the app, like which would be 6% with the card. You're actually getting 10% on the Crow on the 4,000 American that you've locked up for the card. Okay, so in a bear market, you lock up $4,000 worth of Crow. You're getting $400 a year, and that's only assuming that the price of Crow stays the same. So the risk here is that if you put in the 4,000 American and then Crow dropped to 2,000 the next day and stayed there for a whole year, you would only get $200. You would only be getting 10% of the value when you get paid out on a weekly basis. However, in the same respect, if the coin doubles from here, and let's say you bought it, and then tomorrow overnight it went up to $8,000 American, your value, and it stayed there for a whole year. Completely hypothetical, you'd get $800 a year. So it is 10% of whatever the present value of your stake is when those rewards are paid out weekly, plus your 3% in cash back. So as you can see, we're just passively building a lot of Crow. And the next question would be, what do you do with this Crow? Well, what you want to go ahead and do is move it over to the DeFi wallet. And the reason I like this wallet so much is because I know I was kind of talking about this being beginner friendly, and DeFi, generally speaking, is not very beginner friendly. However, Crypto.com makes their DeFi wallet very beginner friendly, as you can actually just link it right to your Crypto.com app and send your Crow very easily to this DeFi wallet. And what you get on this DeFi wallet is the option for Crypto Earn. Okay, now Crypto Earn, on the advertisement, it's showing 16% on your Crow. I just checked the app before starting this video, and the current interest per year on Crow is 12%. It's 12.5% right now. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna move all of your Crow that you are earning from this Visa over to the DeFi wallet and just stake that for 12% here. So you're getting 10% on 4,000 American plus 12% interest on all the money you've moved to the DeFi wallet. And we're going to just look at how powerful that can be in a compound interest calculator, okay? So here's what we're going to say. We're going to say that you had $5,000 to invest, okay? You have $5,000 and you are looking to make money in a bear market. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put 4,000 American into the Visa, and you're going to put 1,000 into the DeFi wallet to start. On a monthly basis, you're going to add $100, but you're going to be getting interest of about $35 a month. Assuming this stays the same, it stays 4,000 American, you're going to be getting about $35 a month worth of Crow. And then plus the Netflix and Spotify rebates, that is another $13.99, $12.99, that's another $26. So we're going to say that you are contributing $160 worth of Crow every month, okay? On a monthly basis, let's say that you're getting 12% a year. Let's just lowball it at 12. Your interest is compounded yearly. Your time horizon is 5 years. Let's just say 5 years, okay? And keep in mind as well, you're going to be reinvesting the Crow that you get from the stake rewards. And this does not account for that. And what we'll do is we'll actually add probably like another $40 to the regular edition after, so you can see the power of reinvesting your staked Crow that you're getting from the DeFi wallet back into the same pool. So we're going to go ahead and press calculate. You can see here that the total value of your investment will be $14,616 with a total interest earned of $4,000. So for investing $1,000 to start, plus $100 a month of your own capital, and then the $60 worth of Crow, assuming the price stays the same, that you're getting on a monthly basis, this is what it'll be worth after 5 years, guys. And that's just like phenomenal. So now let's go ahead and let's say that, so this 12% that you're earning from the DeFi wallet, it comes to you like it's coming to you in real time. So we're going to say that you reinvest that 12% on a monthly basis when you also are investing your $100 worth of cash and your $60 worth of Crow equivalent. So we're going to say that you're doing $200 monthly. Look at the difference there. So now the total value of your investment is $17,830. Total interest earned is $4,830. But keep in mind that it's the total value of your investment. It's actually more interest earned because you're not contributing $200 a month. You're only contributing $100 a month, and then the other $100 is free. So if you actually just go ahead and you account for that, and it's only actually $100 a month of your real cash and not $200, you can actually go ahead and just slash your cash contribution. What you're going to do is you're going to do 200 times 60, because that's a 5-year period, and then divided by 2. 200 times 60, and then divided by 2. You can slash $6,000 off of this number. So as you guys can see, and this would actually increase this number by the same amount. So you'd actually be earning over $10,000, almost $11,000 in interest just by passively reinvesting your Crow that you're getting from the Visa, and as well as contributing $100 a month of your own cash. And this applies whether you are in a bear market, in a bull market. So if you think that crypto, if crypto does enter a bear market, and I'm not saying it will, I'm still very bullish on crypto over the next 5 years, but the fear and greed index is just so high right now, and people are freaking out, and I think it's a little bit unwarranted, but yeah, I mean, we're at 21. It's better than the 10 we were at before, but I think it's a little unwarranted. But just for those who are freaking out about the bear market, the first thing I would say is zoom out, and maybe it'll help put things into perspective for you. But the second thing I'm going to say is that bear market is possible, and if it does come, guys, this is one of the ways. It is very beginner friendly, and it is an amazing way to generate passive crypto income even in a bear market. So that's why I wanted to kind of give you guys this update on Crow today, because I also did want to address this topic of the bear market. And for anyone who may have been like freaking out about that, I really do hope that this video sort of helped alleviate your stress. And again, if you guys are feeling stressed and you feel over leveraged, I would definitely suggest, just for your own mental health, to deleverage yourself, because it's not worth the mental strain when you feel over leveraged. I personally am very aware of when I feel over leveraged, and I work diligently to either, sometimes it's rough, sometimes you take losses, sometimes you take gains. But you need to make sure that you are comfortable and not over leveraged to make smart choices, okay? So guys, I do really hope that this video helped out a bunch. If you guys have any questions or recommendations for content, leave them in the comment section below. I don't even think I've got one like on a single video. So if someone wants to be the first person to like one of my videos, I would be incredibly flattered. And with that said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.